Sometimes it can be helpful to see upcoming events and reminders on the home screen of your phone so that you don't forget them. If you haven't used a widget before, think of it like a mini version of an app that sits right on your home screen. It shows you useful information without needing to open the full app. There are multiple widgets that can be added to the home screen of your iPhone. We are going to focus on both calendar and reminder widgets, so you can see upcoming events and to-do lists at a glance. Once you've unlocked your Apple device, press and hold on any empty space on the screen. The apps will start to wiggle and an edit button will appear in the top left corner. Tap this button, then from the drop-down menu, tap Add Widget. This will open the widget gallery, where you can scroll through different widgets. Let's start with the Reminders widget. This is useful if you regularly use the Reminders app for your to-do list. Scroll through the list or type Reminders into the search bar at the top. Tap on Reminders. You'll now see different layout options. Some show one list, some show several, and others show your upcoming reminders. Swipe side to side to see the different styles. Once you've chosen the one you like, tap the blue Add Widget button at the bottom of the screen. It will now appear on your home screen. You can drag it to the exact spot you want by pressing and holding on the widget, then dragging it to move. Then tap Done in the top right corner when you're finished. Now, let's add the calendar widget, which can show upcoming events. Just like before, press and hold anywhere on the home screen, then tap the Edit button again. This time, scroll or search for Calendar and tap on it. Again, swipe through the different styles. Some show just today's date, others show your upcoming events, and there are even full calendar views. Pick the one that you like. Tap Add Widget, and then drag it to where you want it on your screen. Once you're happy with everything, tap Done in the top right corner. Now you've got both reminders and calendar widgets right on your home screen, in styles that suit how you like to see your day.